Now, the next thing I want to talk about is LinkedIn's CRM sync. This is a two-way LinkedIn integration and had a major update since we spoke about this in 2022. I think they kind of had it, Craig, but it didn't kind of work. And then I think it's been resolved. But basically, what it does now is you can log and monitor all LinkedIn interactions within HubSpot. You can sync contacts, companies from LinkedIn into your CRM. You can use everything inside CRM for targeting your LinkedIn searches, and you can get lead recommendations based on closed deals and activity data. Now, here's the caveat. We have not used this, and I'll tell you why, and I don't have a customer that's using this. It requires 10 LinkedIn Sales Navigator Advanced Plus seats. So this is almost operating on what HubSpot used to operate. So none of our clients actually use it because you've got to have 10 plus seats, right? For it to connect and to use it. So we have not used it. But on the flip side of that, I'm going to tell you something else. We use HubLead for people that just want 1 to 10 licenses. And you'll see, I've got a screenshot in the notes. It has a nice integration into LinkedIn. It can pull the data from your HubSpot through that link. You can push the information. You can enrich it with the information that they have. You can even pull additional properties that you want to see or update. But it has been a tool that we've used with a couple of customers, and it's been really good. So this is an alternative to that LinkedIn connector between HubSpot and LinkedIn.
Can I just ask, with HubLead, which I've used as well, great tool, recommend it. Does that work with Sales Navigator as well, within the Sales Navigator interface, or just on the native LinkedIn?
Actually, that's a good question. I am not 100% sure, Craig. I'm pretty sure it would, but that's something I'll have to confirm.
Yeah.
But I think one of the big things here, like if I think about this whole part, is that we've been in meetings, Craig, you and me. Salespeople are like, oh, I've sent LinkedIn messages. I've been messaging this person. I've done this on LinkedIn. And you see nothing in HubSpot.
Yeah.
And I think this is what closes that gap of what's going on, because it shows you when you connected with the person, what messages went backwards and forwards, and you can use that as points of activity in your contact with that particular individual.
Yeah, definitely agree. HubLead, it'll sync the messages. But again, this is, I think, just the message when you're personally sending, not within Sales Navigator. So anyway, there are two options to look at. Just coming back to the HubSpot's own LinkedIn integration and requiring that 10 seats of Advanced Plus and that, which, like you, I haven't used. I used to have Sales Navigator, just a single seat.
Yes.
But I never had this sync. I think it had problems years ago. I think it was a limitation on the LinkedIn side, actually. I don't think it was a HubSpot limitation.
Yes.
I think LinkedIn was controlling that or blocking that. But for people at bigger enterprises, 10 plus seats at Advanced Plus is not a big problem. This is not a problem. And although you and I probably, our eyes water at the cost of LinkedIn Sales Navigator and Advanced Plus, these same businesses are happily spending, because we've had clients where they're spending, oh no, we've got Sales Navigator, no problem, everyone's got that on the team. Oh, plus we use Zoom Info, that costs us 70 grand a year. And I'm like, what? What is going on? So it's another world sometimes. So this will be a fit for many businesses.